Let's see if this works. I've got these two TP4056 boards plugged into individual cell phone chargers. From what I understand, the transformer is what provides isolation between each of these boards if you have each one on its own transformer. The other thing, if I'm not mistaken, is what we're looking for is an isolation between the negative battery terminal on one board and the positive battery terminal on another board, on the other board. If these were both plugged into the same DC power source, there would be continuity here, and therefore if you were to hook up two cells in series and then try to charge each of those cells with one of these boards, the one of the boards would experience twice the voltage because of the two batteries being hooked up and because of continuity between these two guys. But because we have them on separate individual AC to DC converters, power supplies, these will not have the continuity there, and therefore both of these boards will experience only the voltage of their corresponding batteries. So battery positive, battery negative. I'm getting nothing, so that's good. Alright, there shouldn't be any continuity anywhere across any of these boards because of the separate chargers, and I'm getting nothing. So, but you know, I'm on the right settings, so cool. Just for fun, let's check voltage. 4.1, 2-ish. This one probably has the same kind of thing. 4.12-ish. Okay. Is there a voltage difference across these? Nope. Since they're isolated, I guess there wouldn't be. But, electronics noob, I don't know. Okay. So, incidentally, here's the little chargers I was using. One's a Samsung, one's an LG. Both deliver 5.1 volt, 0.7 amps. At least that's what they say. They both do that, so that's kind of neat that they're matched up. I was just digging through my pile of miscellaneous wall chargers and I found these two, and it's like, hey, they match. So that's kind of neat. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug these two boards into an Anker IQ multi-port charger, and the assumption, I haven't opened this up, not sure how I would, but the assumption is that there's a single power supply powering all 6 of these ports. So I'm going to go ahead and plug these into 2 adjacent ports, and once again we should get some little green LEDs going on there. Yep. Okay. Now, these should not be isolated. Therefore, there should be continuity between these two posts. The battery plus on this one and the battery minus on that one. So, here's a battery plus. Here's battery minus. Okay, we still got nothing, but check out what happens here. When I touch that to that, boom, we get a reaction from the red red LED. Right now it's just blinking every now and then. Watch this. Solid. I don't dare leave that on very long because I have no idea what's going on there. I don't want to, but yeah. I wonder. Ooh, ooh, look at that. I got a number on here. 0.2 something, but anyway, I got a number. So that's bad, right? Well, I mean, it's good for the test because that's what I was expecting, but this is exactly why you can't use these in series with a common power supply, because these will do that. Okay, so I'm going to stick with the positive, and negative to negative here. Battery positive, battery negative. Oh. Okay, I get 4.12-ish. So yeah, I'm getting voltage across these two. I find these results encouraging because that means putting these guys on these separate chargers does make a difference in how they behave. Okay, hopefully you can see that. I've taken a couple of my little charging panels off of my little DIY charging table, and each one is plugged into a USB cable going to their individual wall chargers, those little wall chargers I was using earlier. And I've got 4 cells charging on each TP4056. Right now they're disconnected, but they're both at about the same charge, and the boards seem to be chugging along pretty happy at about 0.8 amps or so. So this is all pretty normal, but here's the thing: when if I hook a positive to negative here, then these will be in series, connected in series. These are all, right now they're all parallel. These are parallel, but that group's separate from this group, right? Okay, so a single connection from positive to negative will put these two in series, right? And so that shouldn't affect the boards because they're on separate chargers, individual chargers, so they are therefore isolated and therefore perfectly safe to put in series. Let's see. So first I'll do some quick tests with the multimeter. I want to see if there is any voltage difference, or whatever you call it, between the positive and the negative. I got nothing. No difference here. So the boards don't change, amps don't change, volts don't change, LEDs don't change, no magic smoke comes out. Yay. Let's change it to continuity, and we should get the exact same result as connecting the two terminals. Okay. So here's hoping for the exact same result. Throw this on there. Let's get these untangled. Throw this on the negative. Right. And throw this guy on the positive. And nothing happens. There is no continuity. between the negative there and the positive here. And then what I want to do, assuming nothing horrible happens, nope, nothing horrible happens, okay. So now, with these connected in series, I should get twice the voltage as it used to be. These are still happily charging along at about 800 milliamps. No change in the voltage, no sudden changes on the board, no weird smoke coming out. So I'm going to go positive here, negative way over here, and we've got 7.65 volts. So, yep, twice the voltage. Okay, so these 8 cells, well, this group is in series with this group, and nothing horrible is happening to my little TP4056 boards. I'll be back at some point with some more tests when I think them up, and thanks for watching.